Hey everybody, in this video I'm going to be showing you guys how to fix this error for modem MW3. So I'm going to be telling you guys how to fix it on a computer or a Xbox or PlayStation device. So yeah guys, with that being said, let's get started with today's video. So the first step is for a computer only, so you just have to go to search, type in percentage temp percentage and delete all the files from here. So once you have done that, you just have to go to google.com. This is one of the potential fix as well. Just type in C cleaner and download the first software from the first link. It's free. Just run a quick clean on your computer. And these are the two steps you can use. If it still doesn't fix your problem, you can download a free VPN like Proton VPN and use a VPN, and this should fix your problem on a computer. However, if you are on a PlayStation or Xbox device, uh, you're gonna search how to change DNS on a PlayStation or Xbox device and use these DNS codes, and this if you use these DNS codes, this should fix your problem. So yeah guys, this is how you fix this error for Modern Warfare 3, Call of Duty Modern Warfare 3. So if you found this video to be helpful guys, then thanks for watching. With that being said guys, I'll see you in the next video very soon.